piracy. Jangan membajak film juga. So that's the trailer of Captain Phillips ya, yang diperankan oleh Tom Hanks. Dan film ini is based on a true story as I mentioned before. Dan for the information, the Somalian is also were also actors. So it's not really like they are real Somalian, but they are actors. Jadi dari produksinya sendiri ya, film ini perkembangannya adalah ketika memoir Captain's Duty dirilis oleh Richard Phillips pada tahun 2010, akhirnya Sony Pictures langsung membeli hak copyrights ya for making it into a film, dan akhirnya kemudian progresnya adalah mencari director. Paul Greengrass akhirnya dipilih untuk menjadi director, which is pretty acclaimed, you know, for action movies because he directed The Bourne Ultimatum, dan juga kemudian progres mencari aktor Somalian ya yang cukup convincing ya, they can act and also they are, you know, very not like real looking. Dan dari 700 applicants ya, dipilihlah beberapa aktor yang cukup meyakinkan ya, dan they are like this, create a gang gitu ya, like real looking convincing gang. Dan akhirnya syuting dimulai selama kurang lebih 9 minggu gitu ya, agak lama gitu. Dan kapal sendiri digunakan itu adalah kapal yang dipanggil Alexander Marks, which is pretty similar to the real ones ya, Marks Alabama yang ditembak-tembakin itu. Sekarang ditaruh di museum. Tembak-tembakin. Ekstrim sih. So that's basically the premise of the story. Dan untuk setting dari filmnya sendiri, filmnya di syuting di Malta ya, di daerah Mediterania gitu ya, Mediterranean Sea, which by in fact is the real story take place in Indian Ocean. Yeah, so that's basically the premise of the story. Don't miss Captain Phillips because it's on theaters right now. We're gonna have to have a break. I'm gonna have to take a swim in a suit. So we'll be heading back right after my swim. Okay, thank you. Oh bukan palu, pistol. So welcome back to Cinema Lounge and Cinema Lounge viewers. I'm William as the host, and speaking about Hammer, I'm gonna discuss about our coming soon movie. That's a snippet ya. Coming soon movie for our episode. This episode is actually the new one from Thor, The Dark World ya. Thor the second version ya, second continuation of Thor the first one, dan the 8th installment in Marvel series ya. So kayak excited banget ya dengan dirilisnya Thor ini ya, karena setelah dengan Avengers akhirnya dia separate mencar lagi, and they both got into their own world. Dan kali ini lebih bercerita tentang Thor, si dewa itu ya. Thor as a god, they have to face this kind of like alien dark forces that comes into our world, dan Thor merasa responsible ya untuk dapat mengalahkan itu ya. So you're gonna have to watch the trailer of Thor the Dark World to see the excitement. Yeah, choo. Oh no, hammer.
After all this time, now you come to visit me, brother. Why? To mock? I need your help. But I wish I could trust you. If you did, you'd be the fool I always took you for.
So Some believe that before the universe, there was nothing. They're wrong. There was darkness, and it has survived.
What's gonna happen?
I gave you my word. I would return for you.
You face an enemy known only to a few.
Known only to one. You must be truly desperate to come to me for help. If we do nothing, they will destroy us.
You even think about betraying him.
And I'll kill you. That was from New York.
I like her.
Thor, your bravery will not ease your pain. Your family, your world will be extinguished.
We're running out of time.
The very fabric of reality will be torn apart.
I'll find a way to save us all.
All yours.
Oops, sorry. Sorry. Oh ya tadi itu ya. So that's the trailer for Thor: The Dark World. Dan film ini it's quite exciting tentunya ya, dari lihat di trailernya. It's coming back, Chris Hemsworth, Natalie Portman, and other actors and actresses, Idris Elba, Kat Dennings, lots of old characters ya, recurring characters come back, and there's also a couple of new actors juga ya. Dan bercerita tentang bagaimana Thor harus bertempur mempertahankan both of his world, Asgard, dan juga the world, our world ya, Jane Foster world ya, yang diperankan oleh Natalie Portman ya. So basically that's the premise of the movie, dan film ini memperlihatkan antagonis si Malekith dan prajurit Dark Elves yang ingin menyerang bumi dan Asgard itu. So it's a huge, very emergency alarm gitu ya. So basically the movie for the production, filmnya disetting ada di Bournemouth, Surrey, dan juga ada di Iceland, dan ada di London juga untuk mengambil setting-settingnya. Dan film ini sudah dikasih tahu bahwa akan ditampilkan juga di 3D and IMAX 3D ya. So it's very exciting. Dan untuk developmentnya sendiri, Thor sudah muncul keinginan untuk dibuat sequelsnya sejak sudah dirilis ya, Thor yang versi pertama ya. So, like very prospective karena sesudah ini akan ada lanjutan-lanjutan dari karakter-karakter di The Avengers ya, seperti ada Captain America and lots of others. Yeah, so basically that's the newest one from Marvel is Thor: The Dark World, and you can see the movie coming real soon at Blitz Megaplex Theaters near you ya. You wanna see the great God ya, God of Thunder, Thor, the Viking. So you're gonna have to watch Thor: The Dark World. And for the next segment, we're gonna discuss about our top 5 Blitz Megaplex this week. Ya, dan untuk posisi kelima, we have Flu. Flu is the new Korean movie. Which in the 5th position. Yeah, so basically the movie is like this epidemic thing ya, di evolve ya particularly di mutasi gitu, virus flu burung yang bermutasi agak ganas gitu, ke gengges sih sepertinya. Dan it's like surrounding Bundang, which is near Seoul. So it's like creates this really mayhem, like wah ribet banget. Yeah. So for our fourth position we have Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs, ya. 2. Ini adalah sambungan dari film pertamanya dan agak menjauh ya. Lebih tepatnya tidak sesuai dengan buku aslinya ya, karena kali ini lebih dimainkan di mesinnya. The machine comes alive, it works again, and it creates food animals ya. Lebih serem dari food karena foodnya bisa teriak gitu, ngomong gitu, seperti binatang, freaky gitu ya. So for our third position we have Sadako 2 in 3D. Apparently Sadako rambutnya belum disisir, jadi dia hound you to comb her hair. No. Basically that's the continuation of Sadako in 3D ya. Sebelumnya ada film sebelumnya ya. So basically this lanjutan dari film Sadako 2 3D ya. So it's a little bit twist in it ya. Dan untuk posisi kedua we have Gravity. Gravity is the second position. And what's unique about this movie ya, film ini lebih ke kayak mempertontonkan this space effects ya. Dan for the information, the first 20 minutes of the movie is without cuts ya. Jadi like it's ongoing scenes, dan film ini disutradarai oleh Alfonso Cuarón. So it's pretty genius and pretty relevant to the real life facts ya. Dan untuk posisi ke-1 diduduki oleh our suggest movie for this week, it's Captain Phillips. Captain Phillips itu seperti yang sudah dijelaskan sebelumnya, dibitangi oleh Tom Hanks, and it's a biopic, it's a real story menceritakan tentang Captain Richard Phillips yang kapalnya itu dibajak oleh this Somalian pirate ya. So he has to stay alive, he has to survive, because as the tagline goes, out there survival is everything. Yeah, so basically that's top 5 Blitz Megaplex movies this week. Remember to stay tuned because we're gonna be mentioning our quiz questions. So stay ya, karena aku akan juga bisa tahu siapa yang menang quiz of the day minggu lalu. So stay tuned. Aku mau lihat contekan quiz aja, pertanyaan quiznya dulu ya. So I'm gonna be heading back to you right after the commercial break, still on Cinema Lounge.